Welcome to Learn English with Fun with 𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒃. Hi, I am Govind. Welcome back to another episode of Learn English with Fun with 𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒃, where we talk about English grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation twice every week. You get to practice your listening skills and learn valuable tips to become more fluent in English. One of the repeated questions that we get is, how can I improve my English speaking skills? How do you use expressions like a native speaker does? And we get this question from everyone, be it beginners, intermediates, OET as well as IELTS students, and even students doing master's degree. In this episode, we are learning from our ever-popular AI robotic characters fed with human intelligence about expressions that we use for everyday conversation. It is about eating something which you would never think of and more. Stay tuned. Remember, if you need any help with your English language skills, then be sure to check out with 𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒃 by subscribing to our Spotify podcasts or search Learn English with Fun. If you don't have a Spotify account, you can visit www.𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒃.com for the complete set of our podcasts, which are categorized as per the discussion. Do note that our podcasts are short and impactful and are posted twice a week.
Chakli cooked a dish, much to Govind's delight. But when he hears what the ingredients are, he has already made his mind up about how it will taste. Chakli has some advice about what he should eat next. And you can learn it too in this episode.
Hello, Govind. How have you been?
Hey Chakli, I'm fine, thanks. Someone told me that you have been cooking.
Yes, I have. I love cooking, and I know you like eating delicious dishes.
Yeah, that's great to hear. Will there be anything for me to try, maybe?
Maybe. I have been experimenting with a new vegetarian recipe that involves making a dish with cabbage and beetroot.
Cabbage and beetroot? Yikes! That sounds disgusting. If you want someone to try it, please don't ask me.
Oh, Govind, you'll eat your words.
Eat my words? I am sure my words will taste better than a cabbage and a beetroot dish.
No, Govind. I mean, you will regret saying that. The phrase, eat your words, means you will have to admit you were wrong about something you have said. And here are some more examples of people eating their words. Example 1. You said my coffee business wouldn't work, but you will have to eat your words. It's been a huge success. Example 2. Despite what I said, I will have to eat my words because my new boss is nice and not what others scared me of. Example 3. You said I would fail the exam, but I ended up with an A+. You will have to eat your words now. This is Learn English with Fun with 𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒃, and I am telling Govind he will be eating his words about my cooking. The phrase means to admit you are wrong about something you have said. So, Govind, how about trying my dish before you decide you don't like it?
Okay, Chakli, but I know I won't like it.
Here, try this.
Are you sure you used cabbage and beetroot? This tastes like a normal dish.
It is a normal cake, Govind. And I assume you like it.
I must admit I do. You know, it has inspired me to get cooking. I am off.
Where are you going?
To cook a word dish, so I can literally eat my words.
Haha. Good luck. Bye.
Bye.
There is an English phrase to describe winning easily, and we are about to use it when talking about Govind's favorite cricket team. That is until Mr. Chip delivers some bad news and the phrase may no longer apply. Find out more.
Always remember that if you need additional help with your grammar, if you want to understand everything you hear or read and you want to express yourself completely, then check out www.𝒔𝒑𝒆.com, where you can take great online English courses on a range of different topics.
Hello, I am Mr. Chip.
And hello, I am Govind.
Govind, are you excited about the big cricket match this weekend?
I am. Especially my team, the Indian cricket team, is playing. They have had a great season, so they should win.
So, Govind, you think they will win hands down?
Well, they are very good, but they will be playing with their bats and ball. Just score lots of runs and take more wickets.
I know, Govind. If we say someone will win hands down, it means they will win easily or decisively. So, if your team are as good as you say they are, there is nothing to worry about. Good luck anyway.
It is not about luck, it is about skill, and my team has lots of it.
If you say so, Govind. Let us have some examples of a win hands down, shall we? Examples 1. After all the training you have done, you will win the race hands down. Example 2. The competition was tough, but in the end, you won the chess tournament hands down. Examples 3. We have prepared very well, so we should win the match hands down. This is Learn English with Fun with Sahasriya. We're learning about the phrase to win hands down, which means to win easily. And Govind, hopefully your team will win hands down this weekend.
Yeah, but by using bats and ball.
But hold on, haven't you heard? Your main player has twisted his ankle. He's out of the game.
No way. I was hoping he would get a few wickets. Maybe we won't win hands down after all. What can we say instead?
There are lots of win-related phrases, but the most suitable one for now is,
You win some, you lose some.
Well, I still hope this time we will win.
Good luck.
Having nothing to do can be boring. And it can be frustrating, just waiting for something to happen. So, what can you do? How about twiddling your thumbs? That is what this English phrase is all about.
This is Clarity, the AI robot.
And me, Govind. Now, our piece of authentic real English in this program is Clarity.
Twiddle your thumbs.
Okay, I will. What are we waiting for?
Nothing, Govind. Twiddle your thumbs is the phrase.
Oh, sorry, Clarity. I thought you were telling me to wait around, not do anything, until something happens.
Why would I do that?
So you can watch me twiddle my thumbs?
No, Govind. The informal phrase, twiddle your thumbs, means to wait around, doing nothing, until something happens. But you can twiddle your thumbs again, while we listen to some examples. Example 1. Where have you been? I have been twiddling my thumbs, waiting for you to arrive. Example 2. Just twiddle your thumbs while we work out how the computer works. Example 3. I have been twiddling my thumbs because I arrived early for the meeting. This is Learn English with Fun with Sahasriya, and we're learning about the phrase, twiddle your thumbs, which means do nothing while waiting for something to happen.
we don't actually have to twiddle our thumbs when we have nothing to do we?
Of course not. It just describes having nothing to do.
You mean being bored?
Yes, exactly. And you know what is a good solution for stopping you twiddling your thumbs?
No.
Doing something, like making your colleague a nice cup of coffee.
Hint taken. See you later.
Bye.
Those were the 3 expressions we saw in this episode. Eat your words, win hands down, and twiddling your thumbs. Let us stay tuned for the interesting fact section of this episode.
Recently, scientists have claimed that your tears tell you the reason for someone crying. If the first drop comes from the right eye, it is tears of joy. Otherwise, it is because of pain.
When we tear up, do we really think about which eye lets out the tear first? Yeah, if yes, then we wouldn't be tearing at all. I would believe that the scientists are right. I don't have a choice. Do I?
The most remote place in the world is the 𝒔𝒑𝒊𝒙𝗚 Islands in the southern Atlantic Ocean. They are 2,434 kilometers, I repeat 2,434 kilometers, from St. Helena, the nearest inhabited place.
Imagine you go out for buying groceries, but the local supermarket is closed. That'll be a very long trip. Well, that was interesting and exciting, wasn't it? Remember these expressions: eat your words, win hands down, twiddling your thumbs, and put it into your use in your regular conversations. I hope you have enjoyed learning in a fun and an awesome way to think about vocabulary. Remember that if you need any help with your English, you should do 2 things. 1. Follow us on Learn English with Fun with Sahasriya podcasts. 2. Check out www.𝒔𝒑𝒆𝒂𝒃.com. We have lots of great online English courses, including IELTS PTE courses. My name is Govind, and I will see you soon. Stay safe.